Decision structures such as if are used in writing functions, and we also need to compare values when making decisions. For example, we want to write a function that takes a number as a student score and then specifies it according to the student group score. Thus, the score between 0 and 5 is placed in group D, between 5 and 10 in group C, between 10 and 15 in group B, and a score between 15 and 20 in group A. First, we change the function name to getGroupName. Then, we consider a numeric variable to get the score. Then, in the setItem2 section, we consider a variable called result. We set its initial value equal to a text, for example, the word unknown in it. And in the logic section, we can write the conditional structure using the if-else block. Using the if block option, we can add as many if-else-if blocks as needed. In the Boolean section, we can use comparative operators and logical operators to write conditional statements. So, I want to compare the value of x with a fixed number. X is greater than 0 and x is less than or equal to 5. So I created a conditional expression here. To set the predefined variable, we can use this block in the object section. This object result set is the result itself to a certain value because its type is text type. In the text field, I select the fixed text block or fixed text and here the group D. Here, x is greater and equal to 0 and x is less and equal to 5. In this case, we set the result value equal to D. If I have already defined a block and only need to change a small part of it, I can use it again by right-clicking on the blank and duplicate option. This time, if x is greater than 5 and less than or equal to 10. We duplicate the other block too. We name it group C. As for the next block, x is greater than 10 or less or equal to 15. If this condition is true, our group would be B. Otherwise, for the last if-else in the result, we set the value to A. Finally, we show the result value by using the block return. We copy the save successfully URL. For example, number 14 must indicate the group B, number 4 for group D, number 8 group C, and number 18 group A. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more tutorials on using appmaker.com.